I am Umme Rubab, wife of Hussain, mother of Ali Asghar. The sun in Karbala was merciless. My child cried endlessly, not for toys, not for comfort, but for a single drop of water. Every cry pierced my soul, but I trusted my Imam, my husband, who stood for truth, even as the enemy stood with cruelty. When Hussain took my baby to the battlefield, I whispered in my heart, Ya Allah, accept this sacrifice from me. I watched as my innocent child became the youngest shaheed of Karbala. One arrow, one moment, and my child was gone. But even in that heartbreak, my faith did not break. Our sacrifices were not in vain. The world still remembers Ali Asghar, and I, Umme-e-Rubab, stand as a witness that truth always lives on, even when the price is everything we hold dear.